For this Christmas, attend a holiday event that gives back to the community. After all, isn't that what Christmas is all about? Fundação Me Por, which means I Can, is organizing its third Fashion for a Cause fundraiser.
Josie Vanderbeest is the director for Stichting Me Por. The foundation assists infants to 21-year-olds who have physical impairments. The foundation has always received a tremendous amount of support from companies purchasing ticket sales for the events. But what she had noticed was lack of attendance over the years. For the third Fashion for a Cause, the foundation is looking to raise money but also bring further awareness.
Well, for us it's very important not only to raise funds but as well to create awareness within the community of Aruba. And we have great support of the local companies. However, the attendance, if we want to reach 200, we reach 100. And we always aim 200 attendees are 200 people getting the word out there of Fundação Me Por, 200 people spreading the word out there of Fundação Me Por, which can always double up each year or each event. So this year we're trying something different. We do have the companies, of course, that always helps us, but we do want to speak out to the community of Aruba for them also to go to Canadco, go to Johnny's, buy your ticket. You're not only contributing because all proceeds go to Fundação Me Por, but you're also having a great time among friends and enjoying a great holiday collection of Canadco. And next to that, we have great hors d'oeuvres and champagne. So it's not only going to be awareness, but it's going to be a great cocktail awareness event.
The Fashion for a Cause event, set to take place on December 15th, aims to generate 25,000 florins. The number of clients of Stichting Me Por is growing. Therefore, more funds are needed to provide proper care for the physically challenged.
Actually, every year when we generate this money, we have like a minimum and maximum amount that we do have for each kit. So each client of Fundação Me Por, we started with 1,000 guilders. So each year they are able to spend 1,000. So if they need speech therapy or, as I mentioned, other medical therapy or any supplies they need for them to help them function in our community, they can come to the foundation and we make it happen.
Josie says community acceptance is still a challenge that the foundation deals with. If we can look beyond the physical impairment, that is already a step forward for the individuals living with a handicap, for the families, and for Fundação Me Por.
Well, I think that the acceptance within our community is very important because this is still a taboo subject, and we've been struggling with our parents for them to get more out there and be more daring with their kids because they're pretty normal. It's just they're perfect in the way they were built and designed, and it's just that they have a physical impairment. They're not abnormal in any kind. It's just they're wheelchair impaired and they need more help into making it into regular life.
On the next show, we will discuss how the island's infrastructure, as well as healthcare system, is not designed for individuals with physical impairments. What can and needs to be done will be shared by Josie from the foundation.